Your customers want a fast and reliable way to get the things they need. Build loyalty and stay competitive by meeting their growing expectations with Uber Direct, a white-label delivery solution that allows you to add on-demand delivery to your website or app, helping you grow your business on your terms. Delight customers who want things now by offering express, same-day, and scheduled delivery options. Build loyalty with custom branding of your real-time customer communications and stay in control with flexible delivery options, proof of delivery, and reporting. Offer local delivery without the cost of your own delivery fleet. With Uber Direct, you'll enjoy tailored rates based on distance with zero commission taken by Uber. Get started quickly with our intuitive dashboard. For businesses with higher order volumes, integrate fully using our custom API. Or sign up with one of our partners and integrate through your existing POS or order management system. Loyal customers deserve the best experience from your website or app. With Uber Direct, give your customers a fast and reliable way to get what they want when they want it. Branded by you. Delivered with Uber.